Nice. For Nadia?
Nadia.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you. You too.
I have to take photo of you.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So make sure that my address isn't showing good. So I got these small organic box. I didn't do any substitutions this week because I was happy with pretty much everything that was in there. So we have, I have to remember, do different lettuce. I'm not a big fan of iceberg, but it's an organic iceberg lettuce this week. So we'll make do, thank you. It's food. Ooh, a beautiful bunch of Swiss chard. Wonderful, 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 beautiful. I have broccoli, a nice size of broccoli. 3 bananas. 3 small sweet potato. 4, I think these are russet potatoes, or small-ish, medium russet potato. 3 small, medium, large-ish beets. Love beets. And 3, it looks like macintosh apples. So yeah, this is this week's odd box. Just do reverse. 3 macintosh apples. 3. Box this week. And yeah, I think I'm going to stick to every other week, not every week. Not that we wouldn't eat it, but it's finding the time and energy to cook all the time. Anyway, thank you, Odd Bunch. Let's just flip that around and we'll look at these beautiful vegetables again.